Alright guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to make a bucktail like this one. As you see here, it's like blue, gold blades on it, I guess. Yeah. I'll be showing you how to make this. I got all the stuff right here. And the tools need is a rounded nose pliers, some stronger cutters, needle nose pliers, and a split ring pliers. So yeah, let's get into it. So now I got this box from the Muskie shop. Follow me on Instagram, you'll know. So yeah, there's a bunch of stuff in here. So yeah, I'll go through it all right now. Alright, so I basically got everything laid out here. So yeah, I'll just go through it starting with these. So you can actually buy some 12-inch wire. I think this is 0.051 diameter here. But yeah, you can buy them with a looped end and without. As you see, I already have a hook on here. But yeah, I got like 12 of them. Up next, I got some lure body beads here. 1/4 ounce nickel, and then some just smaller beads here, and these are 723 nickel solid. I don't know if you can see that, but probably out of focus. I got 2 packets of these here. So yeah, some blades. I got orange, some white, and then some like gold brass. Some shrink tube here. Use this to like stabilize the hook in the back, as you see here. You can see the shrink tube right there. So yeah, shrink tube. I got some, I think these are 7/0 hooks, a little big. You know, I decided to get them because they were like big, I guess. But yeah, you can go any size hooks. I just chose 7/0. Some clevises for the blades. Egg sinkers, split rings, and then of course your tinsel. I think this is candy corn and this white pearl. But yeah, let's get into it. So now the first thing you're gonna need is your little rod, or I don't know, wire here. And you're gonna grab a split ring and a hook. Alright, so I got my split ring here, and this is where you use your split ring pliers here. I'm just gonna use it to open up the split ring, like, sorry you can't see that, like so, and then just slide that through the opening, and then do the same thing with my hook. Came off. It's a little tricky, but like, you know, take your time, don't want to mess it up. And you should be good. There you go, see, it's on there. Now I'm just gonna add my hook while it's like that. Alright guys, so I have it like this, all nice and secure. Now just take like 1 inch of your shrink tube here, just enough so it kind of covers your whole, like all of your, what is this, hook, your split ring, and then a little bit of your wire. And then just take it and just slide it on like so, and then push it up through the wire and the split ring and the hook. Just make sure you're covering all of the good stuff, and so it doesn't move. Now as you see, I got like it in there. As you see, it's not like wobbling around. As the normal one here is without the shrink tube. See how it's move? This is without it. Now you're just gonna heat the shrink tube up and like kind of shrink it down. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly do that. Alright guys, so I have it finally dried here. It's supposed to look like this. Doesn't really move around that much. So yeah, it's looking really good. I'm really happy with it. Next, you want to grab your egg sinkers here. I think these are 1/2 ounce. Or 1/4 ounces. Let me check real quick. right here. 1/2. Okay, I believe these are 1/2 ounces. Just slide it through first. Boom. And I think right now we're gonna go with the candy corn orange here. So take one of your Flashaboo here, and usually I do the longer side down. So I kind of go like this, and then look which side's longer. It looks like this side is. So we're gonna go the shorter side up, or actually no, sorry, longer side up. So then we can slide the wire in. I got this one pre-tied here. Slides in, and just goes on perfectly. Boom! Look at that, looking pretty majestical. And then you can see kind of where it is. And then you want to grab your bead. Grab a bead. One bead is fine. And this will just help. I don't think you need to do this, but I do it at least. It just helps separate the Flashaboo more, and like it just stops them from hitting against each other as much. So boom, on there, and slide it all the way down into the Flashaboo. Let me see if you can see that. Kind of see it there. All right, so now grab your other tinsel or your Flashaboo, whatever you call these things, and then we're gonna do the longer side on top. I feel like it. So which side is shorter? I'm gonna go with this side. This side on the bottom. Slide it on. And then it should start looking like this. Big, fluffy, nice. It's fine if you kind of see how it's like gapping like that. It's fine. More wear and tear in it in the water will be good. But yeah, once we also get the other baits and like things in there. So now you want to grab another bead here. You're gonna take 3 out for this one. Boom, I got 3 here. As you see, now put 2 to the side. Just take 1 right now and just slide it through like so. Boom. And then secondly, you're gonna take another hook and a snap or whatever these call it. I'm blanking on the name. Split rings. So grab a split ring and a hook, connect them, and put on there. So I'm gonna be right back when I do that. I'm actually just gonna use the one from here because I don't need to do that. I don't need to use this one for a while. Now I recommend getting a split ring pliers if you're gonna do this. Even if you're just doing it for like 3 baits, just a few baits, because it's so much easier, and I enjoy using them a lot more than my fingernail. And plus, you can use the split ring pliers for anything, not just making baits. All right, and then boom, pop it off. And now all you want to do with this is take the open, like the circle side right here, and just slide it through like this. So it's kind of like hanging with the split ring through the thing, or the wire. And then just let it drop down by the tinsel. And that should just act as like another hook. And it's just better with 2 hooks, I feel like. And because like you can have better hookup ratios. Now take the other 2 beads and just put them through like so. And then boom. You're done with the start of the body and the second hook. It should look somewhat similar. So yeah, if it looks like this, you're doing a good job. I mean, I'm doing a good job. And then, if I can find them here, take your lure bodies, and then just put it on. Now these are heavy. What are these? 1/4 ounce. So yeah, these are probably the second heaviest thing on here. Should look really good. Now, I'm gonna use these 2 beads, so I don't have to grab another bag. Grab 2 more beads, like so, and put them through on top of your lure body. So you should have 2 beads on the bottom of your lure body and 2 beads on top. So it's like a lure body sandwich, like so. So it kind of looks like that. And then the whole thing kind of looks like this with the egg sinker right here at the bottom. So yeah, if it looks like that, you're doing a good job. Now, this is kind of the more challenging part here, is the blades and the swivels. I mean, it's not the most challenging part, but if you mess this up, it kind of ruins the whole point of your bait without the blades. So, be careful. I'm going to grab a gold one and then this orange one here. Like so. Now grab your swivels. Should look like this. And now with the swivels, you kind of got like, I don't know if you can see it, but like, I don't know if they can focus there, but there's like a hole on top and then a hole in the bottom, like so. And that should just allow you to put it through your line. So just go, it's just real simple, just like so. And then put only the 1/2 of it in, so it looks something like that. Don't put the other, don't put them all the way in like this. You don't want this just yet. Now put it like this, so it's kind of like hanging, and now prop it up on something. I'm just gonna use this box here, just so I can do that. And then I'm gonna take the other blade. If you're using 1 blade, you can put them through and then you're done. But I'm using 2, so make sure it's like this. Also make sure like the spoon, like this divot part, is in the back. You don't want it in the front. And then now put 1/2 through here, so it's like that. And then the top of the first one, like so. And then the top of the second one, like so. Boom. Now make sure you have them kind of like in like a backwards S shape. Make sure your blades look like this. You don't want them like the other way, because you did it wrong. So boom. Add it through. You can get your box out of the way. Extra garbage and stuff. And then there we go. We have the blade. Now we are done. Now we just gotta tie it and we should be complete. So kind of cut it up. I'm gonna cut like right here. And then we're good. Now grab your circle rounded nose pliers. Now this is the more challenging part. This wire is super strong. I had problems with this. This is really hard and painful. So I'm gonna go one way, all the way 90, so something like that, and then just crank it the whole opposite way. Now it's alright, this is the ugliest part of your bait. I don't mind myself. If you're trying to sell them, then probably master the technique of this. But I'm really not, I'm just here to use them myself. Alright guys, I did complete it. No rotation here, still kind of lopsided, but now I'm gonna take this, the end, just twist it over. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Alright guys, I am done with all the bucktails, cowgirls, whatever. Yeah, this is the orange candy corn one. This is the one I made off camera, this like blue color. I really like it. Or not blue, sorry, the white. With the white blades. This one I decided not to have like an inside hook. Like all the other ones have 2 hooks. This one just has 1. And then this blue one. So yeah. Can't wait to use these on probably next fall or sometime in the spring. yeah, I'll see you guys all later. Goodbye.